har de ju stängt av den här gatan med koner för att varje dag, vi pratar de här borta vid Sjundas, varje dag klockan 11:30 och 4 så har de ju Kell-driven här. Så nu ska vi ju titta, nu står det lite cowboys där borta. Oj, jösses. Det var ingen som sköt någon, även att vi är i Texas.
Now I want to settle something real quick. There are about 15 or 20 stories out there, or 15 or 20 movies out there, more than a dozen books out there, and a couple of TV shows from the 1970s that would say they would go out and they would gather up the wild cattle, and then they would gather up a bunch of wild Mustangs, and they would break the horses on the way and train them on the way up. Well, there's a real problem. You'd spend 3 months on the trail getting to Abilene, and it takes about three months to get the buck out of that horse. So I'm going to say that nobody's got time for that kind of foolishness. They would actually bring quality horses with them, and the better quality the horse, well, the better profit you're going to make, and a little bit less of a chance that somebody's got to come and drag you out of a cactus. So as you can tell, not all the stories are true. Now here in just a moment, we're going to have the Fort Worth herd come down.